contestant number 1. My name is Alarong Hangpi. I'm currently 23 years old. I'm from Dipu, here itself, and my hobbies are I love singing, dancing, and also volunteering for the NGOs as well. So if I can sing a little song. Every night in my dreams I see you, I feel you. That is how I know you. Go on far across the distance and spaces between us. You have come to show you. Go on. That will be enough. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Ali. Music.
Good afternoon, everyone, respected judges, and to all my dear friends. Thank you for this wonderful moment and opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Junior Baby. I'm from Dongkamukam, West Kirby Anglong. Currently, I'm pursuing my BA 4th semester from St. Mary's College Law, Laimukra. My hobbies would be, I like to do both cooking and gardening as well. I would consider myself the talent. It would be singing. I'm not an expert yet, but I would like to sing a song. So I'm going to sing the song of Glorious. There are times when you might feel aimless, can't see the places you belong. You will find that there is a purpose. It's been there within you all along. It's like a symphony, just keep listening. Pretty soon you start to figure out your part. Everyone plays a piece, and there are melodies. Oh, it's glorious. Thank you and have a wonderful time ahead.
everyone present here. My name is Akim Disopi and I'm contestant number 3. I am from West Karbi Anglong, Hamren, Umpu. I am 19 years old, currently pursuing my bachelor degree from the Phu Government College. My aim in life is to become a lawyer. And talking about my hobby, I love listening music, watching K-drama, and I love traveling too. And I think it's possible if you put your mind to it. If you can dream, you can do it. That's all. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone, and respected judges. Thank you for the opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Junmili Rongparpi, and I am 18 years old. My contestant number is 4. I'm currently pursuing my 11th standard in Don Bosco Junior College, that is in 7 Mile. I'm from the itself, that is from Chiklao. Okay, that is all about me.
Good morning, all the respected judges and those who gathered here. Firstly, thank you for giving me this good opportunity to introduce myself. I'm your contestant number 5, Anjuna Tigatarti. I'm 19 years young, and I'm from the beautiful place of Koilamati, East Karbi Anglong. And talking about my hobbies, I love cooking, traveling, acting, and making friends too. And my dream job is to become a fashion designer. Thank you.
A very good afternoon to respected judges and everyone present here. My name is Ruptalom Bepi, contestant number 6. I am 20 years young and I am from Dokmuka. My hobbies is gardening and my aim in life is to be a teacher. Thank you.
to everyone. Myself, contestant number 7. My name is Handu Kropi. I am 19 years of age, currently pursuing TDC first sem in Difu Government College. My hobby is dancing, traveling, and cooking. Thank you so much.
Hello beautiful people and dear judges, my name is Anwar Sudrampi. I'm from the Lamara Bachikram and I'm 17 years old and my standard is 9. And my hobbies is making reels and singing. And my aim in life is to become a supermodeler. Thank you everyone. Have a great 17. Have a great day to you all. Thank you.
Good afternoon to everyone present here, respected judges and my fellow contestants. I'm Kelly Hasno, contestant number 11, currently pursuing my degree in arts in Don Bosco Junior College. My hobbies are dancing, singing, and in my leisure time I love to do cooking too. And I love playing basketball. My inspiration is to become a brand ambassador. Thank you, that's all.
Good afternoon to one and all are present here, respected judges and to all my dear friends. My name is Hanka Turanpi. I am from Selunism number. Currently, I am pursuing my SS first year in DBGC College Manja. I am 18 years young and my hobbies are weaving, reading books and cooking too. And my aim in life is to become a successful nurse. That's all about me. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. Pardon, my name is Mika and I'm currently pursuing my graduations in English literature from Jaipur, Nagaland. I love singing and dancing too. I'm very ambitious and optimistic, compassionate person. Like whatever I do, I give my 100%, and I'm a very hardworking person. That's something I really, yeah. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Caroline Kropi, and I'm
contestant number 13. I'm 20 years old and I'm pursuing my degrees in Diffu Government College. And about my hobbies, I love boxing and riding bikes and also playing basketball too. And about my talent, I can introduce myself in different kinds of language like Korean, Thai, Japanese, and also Chinese also. Can I do that if you want? Japanese. Konnichiwa. Minna watashi no anate wa. Sorry, I'm so sorry. I was like a little bit nervous. Konnichiwa. Minna watashi no namae wa Caroline desu. Arigatou gozaimasu. Korean. 안녕하세요. 내 이름은 캐롤린입니다. 감사합니다. And Chinese, 大家好，我是 Caroline. 谢谢. That's all. Thank you.
Hello, and a very warm good afternoon to one and all present here, respected judges, and to all my fellow contestants. I am contestant number 15. My name is Clarice Rampipi. I am 19 years of age, currently pursuing my Bachelor of Arts from Don Bosco Junior College, Manjang. Talking about my hobbies, I love listening to music, traveling, meeting new people, and dancing too. At last but not least, I would like to say that have faith in yourself, believe in your passion. If you believe in your passion, success will definitely follow you back. Thank you.